This is Mediwish, and today we want to introduce you to the Mediwish Instrument Stringer System. These innovative stringers are designed to streamline your workflow and ensure the optimal cleaning and sterilization of your valuable surgical instruments. Made from high-grade, 304 stainless steel, Mediwish stringers are built to last. They can withstand the demanding environment of your sterile processing department, cycle after cycle. Here's how Mediwish stringers can benefit you. Enhanced cleaning. Stringers keep ring-handled instruments separated and open during cleaning. This allows for thorough cleaning of all surfaces, even those in hard-to-reach areas. Improved sterilization. By keeping instruments open and spaced apart, stringers ensure proper steam penetration during sterilization. This eliminates air pockets that can harbor harmful microorganisms. Reduced damage. Overcrowded trays can lead to tangled instruments and potential damage during cleaning and handling. Stringers help organize instruments within the tray, minimizing the risk of clinking or scratching. Streamlined workflow. Stringers come in a variety of widths and closure styles to fit various instrument sizes and user preferences. This allows staff to quickly secure instruments for processing, saving valuable time. Mediwish stringers are a valuable investment for any sterile processing department. They promote efficient cleaning, effective sterilization, and the protection of your surgical instruments. Visit our website at mediwish.com to learn more about the full range of Mediwish instrument stringers and how they can optimize your sterilization workflow. You can also contact a representative today to discuss your specific needs. Remember, effective sterilization is crucial for patient safety. Mediwish stringers can help you achieve optimal results every time.